Well, getting ready to work in the wardrobe area. I'm going to cover that window with some of this material, and I'm going to put the roof in across here, and then I'll come back and build a box to cover that. Then I'll be putting my vertical right here, come up as I had in here before. I think you saw it. And then I'll have four full-length drawers. Actually, two sections. You pull out one section, pull out the other section. And this will be the wardrobe. Hang all my clothes. Of course, the separation toilet down there. This is going to be probably the hardest spot in the whole thing. Do the ceiling, but you know, if I don't get it the first time, I'll get it the second time. Check back, lots more to do. Well, here's the window cover, and everything is put in with screws like this, so if I have to take it out, I can take it out. Now tomorrow, I think I'm going to knock off for today. Tomorrow I'll start making some patterns for this ceiling. Let's see if I can't get that in place. This is the layout for the ceiling in the closet toilet area. As you can see, it takes a lot of math. Now, time to double check it and then cut it. It doesn't have to fit exact because I'm going to use some trim pieces. But it's got to be pretty close, within 1/8 of an inch. But before I can do the ceiling work, put up the ceiling, I've got to put in some wiring because I have a light up there. And I think I'm going to put one in the closet too. I'm not sure just yet. So I'm going to get the wiring for that run first before I put my ceiling up. I've got a 6-switch going on by the front door, and hopefully I can follow my own diagram. Yeah, the fun part begins now, putting the wiring in the armor and running it. It's a pain in the butt actually, but since I'm putting up a ceiling panel, I have to put up some of the electrical to go to the two. I have two flush lights that go on top, so I've got to get the front one wired before I can put the ceiling up. And this is always fun. If anybody's got an easy way to do this, let me know. I haven't found a really easy way yet. Well, I'll keep at it until it's done. Okay, now I've got this armored up Take it across the back here. This will be the power coming from the fuse box to the switch. And I believe I only need one ground on that switch, 6-gang switch. So that'll be just, I can use this ground here. Looks pretty good. Got more than enough to go to the switch here. So the switch will be right out here. And the wire's coming up, going through the back, back there, down into here, into the fuse box. That focus. Doesn't look like it's in focus. Anyway, I'll get my switch and double check the grounding on it. Okay, here's my 6-gang switch, a couple 12-volt outlets, and a voltmeter. And on the back, everything's wired. All I have to do is hook the positives together, negatives together, bring over power and ground, and then I can go directly out of here to all my lights and all my LED stuff. It's a 10-amp fuse, and everything I have that's going on this is LEDs, so I shouldn't need any more of that, but I'll check on each one to see what it draws.